I believe in doing laundry at home. I don't need an app.
Laundry is something that is so easy to do at home, I will never pay someone to do it.
Yes, I do my laundry every Saturday. It just takes me a few hours. The first thing I normally do is take all the clothes from all my kids.
Then I check all the pockets from the pants and sort the laundry by color. Then I put the laundry into the washing machine. It is normally 2 washings, so after about 2 hours, I take it in a basket and go outside to hang the laundry in the sun.
The next part takes a bit of time. I take all the laundry off the line and start folding it. Then in the evening, I am finished. This is a bit exhausting, I will be honest, but I just do it then every week, forever. I just do this again and again and again. And what is the name of this app again?